In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer reviews on KDP, a KDP tutorial for beginners. When you're starting out as an author and publishing through Kindle Direct Publishing, an essential step to boost the visibility and credibility of your book is to showcase customer reviews. Reviews play a key role in how potential readers perceive your book, and having positive feedback readily visible can make a significant difference for your audience's trust and buying decisions. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to enhance your book's presence on Amazon. First, you'll need to log into Author Central. Author Central is where you can manage your author profile and access all the data related to your books published on KDP. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and set one up. It's a straightforward process. Once you're in, make sure you double-check you're using the correct credentials to access all the publications you're associated with. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select your book. In the dashboard, you should see a list of all your published works. Take a moment to browse through and find the specific title you want to manage. This step is crucial to ensure that any actions you take are applied to the correct book. Mistakes can happen, especially if you have multiple titles, so taking a moment here to verify will be worth it. Once you've selected your book, scroll down to find the Customer Reviews section. This section is designed to help you keep track of all the feedback that readers have provided for your work. Customer reviews are typically located toward the middle or bottom of the page. If you're having trouble finding it, try using the search or filter options if available, as some titles might have a dense amount of information accompanying them. After locating the Customer Reviews section, you're now ready to copy or feature selected reviews. Here, you'll be able to see individual reviews and their ratings. When selecting reviews to showcase, consider choosing those that highlight the strengths of your book and resonate well with other potential readers. Be genuine in your selection, as readers value authenticity. Once you've picked the reviews you want to feature, you'll find options to copy and share them on your other platforms or enable their visibility right there on Amazon. Following these steps will ensure that your readers have access to genuine, impactful feedback from others who've enjoyed your work. By taking the time to feature customer reviews, you're actively engaging with your audience and helping new readers have the confidence to invest in your book. Keep in mind that consistent interaction with your reviews and updates to your author profile can further